WhatsApp finally brings official app for iPad users. How to install and features you get. WhatsApp has finally heard people's wishes and launched a dedicated app that will run on iPads. Yes, this is not a web-based version or the mobile app ported onto the big screen. This is a full-fledged app that is compatible with the iPad and brings all the popular features that millions have been using on their mobile phones. WhatsApp is unlikely to ever tell us why it has taken so many years, 15 to be precise, to get a native app for iPad, but most people will be glad that it is finally here through official channels. The WhatsApp iPad app is now available on the App Store and you can download and sign in using your WhatsApp account to get all the chats, media files and more on the big device. WhatsApp for iPad. What features you get. The biggest aspect about WhatsApp on any device is that chats, media files and calls are protected by end-to-end encryption, and that will be compatible on the iPad app as well. You will also have the option to sync your data and messages using the linked devices feature, which now supports the iPads too. Multi-device technology to keep everything in sync across your iPhone, Mac, and other devices while protecting your personal messages, calls and media with end-to-end encryption, WhatsApp highlights in its blog post. That's not all. iPads launched in the last few years with the Mi series chip get the Stage Manager feature, which has been optimized to support the messaging. So you can send messages while browsing the web, or research options for a group trip while on a call together, the platform adds. More importantly, the WhatsApp app on iPad will be compatible with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil as well. You get features like chat lock available in the settings that can be enabled if needed. Swipe left for next video, and yes, you can make video and audio calls with up to 32 people, share your screen, and use both front and back cameras using WhatsApp on the iPad. We didn't see any mention about Meta AI features or support for the iPad version, which could happen at a later date. The messaging app is becoming more useful on iPhones with the recent iOS 18 updates. WhatsApp users got a big push with the recent iOS 18.2 update that makes the messaging app more useful for iPhone users. Thanks to this update, WhatsApp can now become the default calling app on the eligible iPhones. You can make the changes from the iPhone settings for audio and video calls in some cases. Latest blogs.